Special shout out to Banks Flames. This is mad funny. You find the right puppet for match when Amari and Pretty Dan did a go off on lava. Chat and buzz. Have a look.
You need to go on my live right now.
How would that girl listen?
Pretty than over here talking so much disrespecting about you. I don't know why.
Shut your mouth, lava, and call this big chaka long time blood clad pain funny life.
Yeah, the biggest disgrace on the internet.
Mama, you see, you know you's a toilet.
But you are scared.
You's not sitting where people fuck. You're sitting where people shitting. I like,
Bitch, back off.
Mama, you look like you are empty right now. You look like you're full of blood clot yellow piece.
Your mouth frothy like after me not suck man.
Mama, me a top man as fat as I am.
And you have to go turn man because every woman follow me.
Mama, you shape like the man in a bumbo clot. Test the street name, Cookie Muds.
You know man, a blood clot want you call up my Ross clot name.
Mama, me not ask you. Mama, you not to say you break shoe then rub out.
How me say good is dog shit?
Which part of that bumbo clot classy? Why would I draw myself in a precipice like that? Me can't even swim.